Hi, thanks for purchase YYFITT folding exercise bike. Now, let me guide you through the assembly steps. After you receive the package, open and take out every part in the box. Remove packing materials on it. Now, let's check parts list on manual one by one. I am showing every part as same as assembly manual shows. Number 1 handlebar with monitor. Number 2 saddle stem. Number 3 front stabilizer. Number 4 rear stabilizer. Number 5 saddle. Number 6 and number 7 left pedal and right pedal, they are wrapped together. Number 8 bike main frame. Number 9 back cushion. Number 10 back handlebar. Number 11 back connection set. And a hardware pack with assembly manual. If you find any part is missing, remember to check throughout the box first, then contact us for after service. If you find a visible damage on the part, please do not return the whole product. Just simply send us an email, we will contact you for sending new parts. Now, let's start the assembly work. Step 1, here we will show you 2 ways to assemble front and rear stabilizer. The first way is an easier way, but you need to find a non-abrasive surface for this. This is to avoid scratching the bike surface. You can also jump to 3 minutes 13 seconds of this video to watch the second method. Make a simple comparison, then follow the assembly method you like. First method, now, lay down the bike main frame like this. Pick up the front stabilizer, you can see an up sticker here and 2 small wheels. This is the front stabilizer. Loosen those cap nuts, washers and bolts, put it aside. If you check this hole on the stabilizer, you will see this is a square hole, not a round hole. Check this part under the bolt's head, it's a square part too, so when you insert the bolt back to the stabilizer, make sure this part is fully inserted inside. Insert one bolt from bottom to the up like this, and hold it by your hand. Now, attach front stabilizer here, hold it, attach a washer and a cap nut, just hand tighten it first. Attach the other bolt and washer and cap nut. Just hand tighten it too. Now, turn over the bike main frame like this. Pick up the rear stabilizer. Remove those bolts, washers, and nuts and put it aside. Insert one bolt from bottom to the up and hold it. Attach rear stabilizer to the bike frame, add washer and cap nut, hand tighten it only. Add the other bolt, washer and cap nut, just hand tighten it. Now you can hold and lift up the bike main frame like this. Pull out this long locking pin, then you can unfold the bike frame, and stand it like this. Remember to insert the locking pin back here. Now make sure the bike is stand flat and steady on the floor, then completely tighten all cap nuts by this long handle wrench. Okay, now here is a second way to assemble front and rear stabilizer. This is the same step as assembly manual shows. If you already follow the first method, you can directly skip to 4 minutes and 42 seconds for next step. First, pick up the bike main frame. Make it stand up, hold it, pull out this long locking pin, then you can unfold the bike main frame. Insert the locking pin back here. Pick up the front stabilizer, remove those bolts, washers and cap nuts and put it aside. Insert one bolt from bottom to the up and hold it, attach front stabilizer under the front of the bike main frame like this. Add washer and cap nut, hand tighten it only. Insert the other bolt on the other side, add washer and cap nut, hand tighten it. Then completely tighten it by long handle wrench. Pick up rear stabilizer. Remove those bolts, washers, and cap nuts and put it aside. Insert one bolt from bottom to the up and hold it, attach it to the back of the bike main frame like this. Add washer and cap nut, hand tighten. Insert the other bolt to the other side of the stabilizer, add washer and cap nut, hand tighten. Then completely tighten it by long handle wrench. Now the front and rear stabilizer is finished assembly. Let's go to the next step. Step 2. Pick up the front handlebar and 2 batteries in the hardware pack. On the back of the monitor, open battery cover and install 2 batteries into the battery compartment. Pay attention to the battery's polarity. Put the cover back. Loosen those 4 screws and washers here and put it aside. Directly insert this handlebar to this open tube on front of the bike main frame. Attach 2 bolts and washers on each side. To better align the holes and make the bolt turning more smooth, you need to adjust the handlebar up and down, back and forth. Then tighten it by Allen wrench. Fully connect these 2 plugs until you hear a click sound. Step 3. Pick up saddle stem and this back connection set. Open the back connection set, remove those 2 bolts, washers and nuts and put it aside. Attach back connection set to saddle stem like this. You can see this is also a square hole on the tube. Insert 1 bolt and add washer and nut, hand tighten it first. Insert the other bolt, add washer and nut, hand tighten it. Then completely tighten it by long handle wrench. Step 4. Pick up back handlebar. Remove these 2 bolts and washers from back connection set here and put it aside. This is the correct handlebar direction. Attach back handlebar to back connection set like this, hold it. Insert 1 washer and bolt, hand tighten it first. Insert the other washer and bolt. Then completely tighten it by Allen wrench. Step 5. Pick up this saddle. Turn this saddle upside down, remove these 3 nuts and washers and put it aside. Attach saddle stem to the saddle like this, hold it by your hand, then add back washer and nut one by one. Hand tighten, and then completely tighten it by this small wrench. This front nut is hard to tighten because this space is narrow. So, take your time, it may cost 5 minutes to finish this. You can also sit and put this part on your leg to help you assemble it. Now, insert this whole part into the open tube of the bike main frame here. Pick up that height adjuster knob in the hardware pack. Attach it on the back of the tube here. This is a quick release knob. Loosen and pull its head outwards, adjust the saddle stem up and down until you hear a click sound. The knob is locked to one of the holes on the saddle stem, then tighten it. Step 6. Pick up this back cushion in 4 bolts and spring washers from hardware pack. Attach back cushion to the back connection set here. Add bolt and washer one by this diagonal line method. Hand tighten it first. After all 4 bolts and spring washers are located, completely tighten it by Allen wrench. Step 8 and 9. Pick up left pedal. Check here, you will see a left sticker. Now check the crank arm here, you will also find a left sticker. It is very important to identify left and right before assembly. Make sure not mix it. Please also noted there are some lubricant oils on the pedal thread to prevent from rust. Remove this fasten nut from left pedal and put it aside. If you have trouble to remove it, check this, you can use this long handle wrench and this big wrench to help you. Make sure you are turning correct direction, or you will make it tighter and tighter. Attach left pedal to left crank arm, pay attention to the direction. You need to turn anti-clockwise to assemble left pedal. You can use this long handle wrench here to help you turning the pedal rod. Now attach that fasten nut to the other side of the pedal, hand tighten only. Put long handle wrench on the pedal rod, put this big wrench on the fasten nut, working together to completely tighten it. If you don't have enough strength to do that, it's okay, no need to tighten it to the end. Just turning several circles to lock it, it won't affect its function. Step 10. Pick up right pedal. As before, double check this right sticker on the pedal, this right sticker on the crank arm. Now remove this fasten nut from right pedal and put it aside. Attach right pedal to right crank arm by turning clockwise. Remember, turning clockwise. Using this long handle wrench to help you. Then add this fasten nut to the other side of the pedal. Hand tighten first. Put this long handle wrench here, this big wrench on the nut, working together to tighten it. Now, this stationary exercise bike is finished assembly. Here are some useful tips on how to better use it. As you can see, this shoe strap is adjustable. There are 3 holes on this side, and 4 holes on this side. You can choose one of the holes and adjust it to fit your shoe size. As we talked during the assembly, adjust this quick release fasten knob for seat height. How to fully fold up the bike. Check this: if your seat height happens stay at this level, the top of the seat is interfered with the tension knob. That's why you cannot fully fold it up and lock it. So, you need to adjust the seat to its maximum height. Also, when you insert the long locking pin to fold up the bike, watch here, make sure the locking pin go through this small round ring in the middle of the frame. This is very important, and that's why some people has trouble on this. Now you can successfully fold it up. Turn this tension knob left or right to adjust the magnetic resistance. We are proud to tell you this has 16 levels, which is better than others. This is the exercise tracker. Press this mode button to switch different functions. When this scan is showing on the display, it will show each function's data by every 4 seconds. If you want to stay on a specific function, press the button again and scan will stop. When you are pedaling, the display will auto turn on and start to count. And the display will also auto shut down after you stop it for 4 minutes. Again, if you come across some issues during assembly or daily use, we strongly recommend you to contact us directly for after service. Do not leave a negative review or directly return it without contact us. That really doesn't help. Just simply send us an email, we will reply your email ASAP. If you didn't saw our reply, also check your email spam box, in case our reply was moved to spam box by mistake. Now you can get on the bike and enjoy your workout. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.